We got a beautiful snowfall today. A good day for snow sledding.
Hi friends, it is very important to lose some weight, not just to look better, but for various health benefits. Too much of weight or obesity can lead to several health issues in the long term. There are different ways to lose some extra weight and to keep weight in control. Some popular methods are trying out natural remedies like consuming turmeric, moringa powder, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, fenugreek, and so on. Physical activity like doing exercise, yoga, aerobics can help a lot. Also, there are dietary methods like low calorie diet, keto diet, high protein diet, etc. But in spite of trying all these, you may not be losing much weight. Research has shown that consuming one antioxidant can lead to significant weight loss easily. Moreover, just like vitamins, this is an antioxidant which is naturally found in food. It has no side effects at all when taken in recommended doses. So, just taking one pill can give you promising weight loss in a safe and effective way. It is Alpha Lipoic Acid. Alpha Lipoic Acid is a powerful antioxidant which is produced by the body, and it is also found in food. But it is only produced in the small quantities in our body, so we have to take it from the external sources. Research has shown that alpha lipoic acid may contribute to significant weight loss by increasing metabolism and burning more calories. For people who are obese or overweight, this supplement has significant impact in reducing weight and in the treatment of metabolic disease. In a study, taking ALA led to an average weight loss of 2.8 pounds. The weight loss is more profound in women. Also, this led to a better BMI. Besides, it has several positive advantages. It promotes healthy nerve function. It has been found to be helpful for nerve problems like carpal tunnel syndrome, peripheral neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy, and sciatica. Number 2, improves lipid profile. This is an effective antioxidant to lower high triglycerides and bad fat in the body, thereby improving overall lipid profile. Number 3, as anti-aging. This also seems to work for the anti-aging of skin. Applying creams made of alpha lipoic acid seem to decrease wrinkles, fine lines, and improve overall skin tone. Number 4, diabetes. It is very helpful for the diabetic patients in regulating and lowering blood sugar levels. Studies proved that it can also reduce the risk of diabetes complications. Number 5, lowers risk of heart disease. Research shows that the antioxidant properties of alpha lipoic acid may reduce heart disease risk factors. Coming to the dosage, for weight loss, you can take around 600 mg to 1200 mg per day. For other antioxidant benefits like anti-aging or nerve health, you can take anywhere between 200 mg to 1000 mg per day. So overall, this is a really powerful antioxidant supplement to add to your weight loss routine. Whether you are doing diet control or exercises, adding these can give you improved and most effective weight loss results. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.